Cambium Networks is a leading provider of wireless broadband networking infrastructure solutions for network operators, including medium-sized wireless internet service providers, enterprises, and government agencies. Cambium Networks' scalable, reliable, and high-performance solutions create purpose-built wireless fabric which connects people, places, and things across distances ranging from 2 meters to more than 100 kilometers. The products can be used indoors and outdoors, using licensed and unlicensed spectrum at attractive economics. Cambium Networks' vision from the beginning was to build something great that solves a major issue in society. The singular focused purpose of connecting the unconnected, people, places, and now things, that vision remains today. Over the past few years, Cambium Networks has experienced growth across all major product lines and geographies, creating significant value as the world moves away from wired and legacy systems and towards wireless and 5G solutions. On June 26, 2019, Cambium Networks reached a significant milestone, becoming a public company on the NASDAQ stock market, trading under the stock symbol CMBM. From Cambium Networks' humble beginnings in 2011, today the company now serves approximately 150 countries and well over 10,000 end customers. Cambium has a broad market presence with over 10,000 network operators and 5,900 channel partners. Cambium Networks has ongoing innovation and a culture of growth and profitability. Our wireless fabric includes intelligent radios, smart antennas, radio frequency or RF, algorithms, wireless-aware switches, and our cloud-based network management software. Cambium Networks products can be found from cities to remote outposts, such as Mount Everest Base Camp at 17,600 feet elevation, where extreme conditions both in terms of terrain and temperature, and where wireless connectivity could not be done reliably before. Cambium Networks' advantages over legacy solutions allow us to win across a broad set of customers and use cases. Cambium Networks has the right technology, people, and culture to continue our journey as a market leader in fixed wireless broadband.